If you no longer want to use two-factor authentication on Snapchat, you can easily turn it off from your app settings. First, open the Snapchat app and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the gear icon in the top right to open settings. Scroll down and tap on two-factor authentication. Once you are inside that menu, simply uncheck the check-marked authentication app option and tap on disable. Snapchat may ask you to enter a verification code or confirm your password. If this for security reasons, once confirmed, two-factor authentication will be turned off and you will no longer need a code to log in from new devices. But note, disabling two-factor authentication reduces your account's security. Make sure your password is strong and your recovery email is up to date before you disable it. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel to get more helpful tutorials.